Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free camsoda tokens. So as you can see, I got tons of them right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this in 2025. So what you want to do is go to zestcoupons.com, and as you can see, it says camsoda free tokens with promo codes. So just press get code, show coupon code, and wait for it to load. Now it is going to ask for your email address, so make sure you go ahead and put that in. I already entered mine, but we're going to go ahead and press get full code. And now we're just going to wait for it to load up. So basically it's going to say activating reward, and you just have to go ahead and put this in right here so you guys can see. So it'll basically make you do like a survey and all this stuff, but I already completed everything. So at the end you just have to do the deals, which are like these things right here. But anyway guys, that is how you get the camsoda free tokens. So be sure to try it out. See you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. You can see it says camsoda free tokens. But yeah, it's so cool. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, if you guys want to get them for free, then be sure to try it out. This is so crazy, and it actually works, guys. This site, Zest Coupons, they're crazy, bro. 2025, it is so cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get free camsoda tokens. It's so cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Be subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. And yeah, peace out. This is craziness. Oh my gosh, bro. So yeah, if you're someone that enjoys this stuff, be sure to try it out. See you in another video. Be subscribed to the channel. This is so unique, bro. And it's updated and everything. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go and share. I'll see you guys in another video. Be subscribed to the channel, and peace out.